8 divided by 4 divided by 8 divided by 4. You may solve this by saying 8 divided by 4 is 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And then 2 divided by 2 is 1. But that would be incorrect. Let's fix this. To solve this equation properly, we need to look at the order of operations. Now, the only operation in this equation is division, so that makes it easier. We do have to make sure we start on the left and go to the right. We can't start dividing here or here. It must be here. So we'll go 8 divided by 4. And that gives us 2. And we'll bring down the rest of the problem. Next, we'll say 2 divided by 8, which we can write as 2/8. We'll bring down the rest of the problem, divided by 4. Now we should see that 2/8 can be simplified to 1/4. Again, we bring down the rest of the equation here. Now, to divide a fraction, we have to remember keep, change, flip. This tells us that we're going to keep our fraction 1/4. We're going to change the operation to multiplication, and then we're going to flip this number here. So instead of it being 4, it will now be 1/4. And then we just multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 4 gives us 16. The answer to our equation today is 1/16.